Your iPad is packed with personal settings and important data. To protect your files and free up space, it's crucial to back up your iPad to a computer. Here are 3 top methods to back up your iPad to a PC or Mac, with or without using iTunes. Part 1. How to back up iPad to computer with iTunes. 1. Open iTunes. 2. Connect your iPad. 3. Select the device icon, then Summary. 4. Choose this computer. 5. Click Backup Now. 6. Click Done when finished. Part 2. How to back up iPad to computer with iCloud. 1. Open Settings on your iPad. 2. Tap your name iCloud. 3. Select iCloud Backup. 4. Toggle on for Auto Backup or tap Backup Now to start manually. Part 3. How to back up iPad to computer without iTunes iCloud. Mobikin Assistant for iOS backs up your iPad to a computer, offering an alternative to iTunes. It also manages iPad data, like deleting photos and editing contacts. Now, let's put Mobikin Assistant for iOS into practice to make iPad backup to computer. Step 1. Launch Assistant for iOS and connect iPad to PC. Connect your iPad to the PC and open Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Once detected, your iPad info will appear on the main interface. Step 2. Scan the iPad for specific files. Categories appear on the left. Tap to scan and preview files. Step 3. Start to back up iPad to computer. Select and click Export to transfer to your PC. Choose a folder and check it when done. In Super Toolkit, select iTunes Backup and Restore. Choose your device. Set the backup location and click Backup. Keep your iPad connected during the process.